evening and welcome to TTN News. My name is Jonathan and I am the anchor today. Breaking news, we have had a little incident at the Paolo and Pearl studio. Bernard has made ruckus and they got all tangled up in their backdrop set. Above, you can see some footage of this incident. Yes, I know, that looks bad because it is bad. We have some exclusive stuff coming up. First, we're gonna have some footage of the incident. Oh no, that looks bad. Oh my goodness, that is just bad. I mean, who does that much stuff just playing around? Can't live in that place. Oh, that looks like it hurt.
Somebody, please help me. Bernard has gone crazy. He's tangling us all up in our backdrop sets and ropes. It's just, it's gone crazy again. Somebody, help.
And now we have some more interviews, exclusive, and other stuff.
Well, it all happened so quickly. Bernard was running around while me and Pearl were trying to videotape our next video, and then he just knocked everything over and we got all tangled up and I was trying to find a way to get him off. But of course, this little hippie rainbow and Pearl came out, but of course me and Bernard got stuck together. I mean, look at that sound. Look, no, it doesn't look normal because he is an evil little bloody. He dinged my wings.
Now we have an interview with Bernard.
It all happened so quickly. I was flying on my phone, I singing up in all their eyes, and then she started playing with me, and she was being mean. And I was like, what the hell? Somebody help. It was horrible.
And now a Polly interview. Oh, wait, I mean Pearl.
I was trying to watch TV on my 50-inch flat screen TV, when all of a sudden I got Bernard, and then I got in the string, and then he pulled me right off my futon. Yeah, my futon is so comfortable.
Croutons. I like croutons.
Not croutons, futons, you stupid. And I was trying, and my hair got messed up and everything, and I was about to go to the doctor. No! Bernard! My dear Bernard!
Sorry, I just broke a light bulb. Hee. That wasn't supposed to be.
Evil little butthead, that was my light bulb!
Now we have some other stuff. We have a time lapse of the surgery removing all the string.
This is gonna hurt, isn't it? I'm a little worried, so sorry, help. It's okay. Here we go. Ow. Did you get it? Hurry, help.
Bernard erased the rest of the footage.
Hi. What are you doing? Get off me. Get your hands off me. I can do this myself. Don't touch my foot. Don't, you're gonna come here. Ow. Ew.
Well, that was our TTN newscast for tonight. Thanks for watching, Bernard. Try to stay out of trouble. Tune in next week for some more breaking news and action. Maybe Bernard will give us some more. This has been a TTN newscast. TTN, the news now. Remember, try to avoid Bernard.
Hey, the adventures of Paolo and Pearl. And don't forget Bernard.